Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Nourish Muslimah. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious jollof rice that I showed you in the beginning of the video, and it's so delicious, as easy as it can be. We are going to use leftover stew, and let's go ahead and get started. Here I have 2 cups of rice, I have some leftover stew of course, and I have some spices. Okay, so I'm going to add some oil in the pot, and I'm adding my leftover stew in the pot as well. I added just a little bit of oil, it's not much, so please don't add a lot. And the spices, I added them. You can skip that if you want. You can just add whatever you want, because it depends on how flavorful your stew is. And then I added some salt to make it even more tasty, and some hot water. So the hot water is to make the stew boil up a little faster. So you can add cold water if you want, it doesn't matter. And then I will go ahead and add my rice. And here, when I add my rice, I will stir it a little bit, cover it up, and let it cook. I will reduce the heat so that it doesn't burn. I'll come back and check it for after some few minutes. After some few minutes, I will check back on the rice, and it's semi-cooked. I am stirring it to give a beautiful consistency throughout the rice so it can cook evenly. So here, to continue to cook it properly, I am covering it up with a paper towel. So the paper towel, I make it dump a little bit of water on it, and then I'll cover it. You can as well use an aluminum foil, but I'll prefer to use this. So I'll go ahead and cover it and leave it to cook for a little bit. Make sure to reduce the heat, because you don't want your food to burn too much, okay? And you will lose a whole lot of food. So, and then we don't want to waste anything. So here, after some few minutes or so, you have yourself some beautifully looking and tasting rice. Beautiful jollof rice that can be made in just some few minutes, and you get yourself screaming and shouting because you are eating amazing food, delicious food, and healthy food for that matter. So I hope you enjoy it, and you will make this rice again and again. Video that explains it even quicker with different ingredients, so if you are interested, you can watch that as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet, and like this video. Until next time, be in the best of health and iman. Assalamu alaikum.